Alright, so today we're going to be installing this package I got from LRB Speed. Pretty easy install and cleans up the look of the interior of your car and maybe even saves a little weight. So let's get this opened up and see what we got. Tape together. As you can see here, we have a nice aluminum door card. We went with the no speaker option. Contains the factory door handle and window switch and a little pull tab so you can open and close the door. So pretty cool. Here's the other one. Feels like super really good quality stuff. Go on to set. So now that I have the factory panel removed, I am doing some rough fitting, got the speaker removed, rough fitting of the new one. And it looks like I had to take this guy off of here. Just gonna tuck this in here. And it looks like I'm gonna have to remove this 10mm and 10mm here. So let's do that. So after playing around with this for a little while, got all this gunk shit removed. Could it be better? Yes, but I'm cool with it right now. Figured out, I read the instructions wrong. It's supposed to be double washers. And then you leave this so you can put a nut there. And then you have to loosen these 4 bolts, wiggle this thing around. But I found out what I'm going to do is I'm going to still run your little piece in this adapter. But I'm actually just going to run my own bolt for the door handle. Alright, we got it all back together. Like I said, I did a little bit different thing with that bolt. I put the bolt here. And then I had the actual one that came with the kit here. And it seems pretty sturdy. I don't hear anything that's going to be too crazy loud, hopefully, when it's running. If anything, I can always take it off and put a little piece of foam around it if it ends up vibrating or anything. But factory switch, factory door handle. Looks good. All right, we got passenger side all finished up. Let's go ahead and let's do driver side. Alright, we just got the master switch, window switch installed. We have the one little spacer in the front, 2 big spacers in the back. And then same thing like before. Down here we have 2 spacers and the stud. And then here we have the little stud and the female coupler. Alright, make sure you install your little trim piece for the window. We're going to go ahead and get this tossed back up. Takes a little bit of finesse to get her set up in there. Alright, I got her a rough fit on there. Gonna go ahead and just get some of this hardware loose, fitted. All in all, super stoked with how these door cards came out. Saved a few pounds and cleaned up the look of the car while still retaining the factory controls too. So, pretty stoked.